Hello there guys, and welcome back. So today guys, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna use the local self-service car wash to our own advantage. So first I'm gonna start off pre-rinsing the car from top to bottom, and I'm mainly gonna be focused on the lower half of the vehicle today. I'm not using any pre-treatment chemicals, although I would recommend doing that. Simply using a trigger sprayer with your favorite APC, spray the lower half of the vehicle and then just rinse it all off. It's good for those who don't have any access to water, and it's also good to knock off all of the salts and dirt from the lower half of the vehicle, because you can see the nozzle, the tip of the pressure washer is angled. It's really easy to pre-wash the lower half of the vehicle. So we're back at our base. So today guys, we're going to use 10 liters of water mixed with ONR, one sponge. The surface is wet, however it's still pre-treated with some ONR to add some slickness to the contact wash. So the only difference is to my usual washes is I'm using one sponge, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash the upper half of the vehicle only. I'm going to leave the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the rocker panels for last, because I don't want to bring the dirt from the lower half of the vehicle to the upper side of the car. You will see it further on in the video. And the remaining of the solution that we'll have after the contact wash of the body panels of the vehicle, we're going to do the wheels and tires. So this is the point where we're going to start washing the lower half of the car. And I'm finishing off washing the car with the front bumper, rear bumper, and the side panel on the passenger side. This is the drying stage, and as I mentioned in my previous videos, drying the ONR solution is really easy and it's really safe on your paint. The car is dry now. Let's wash the wheels and tires. So I'm going to start off by pre-spraying the tires with APC. Then I'm going to scrub the tire with my dedicated tire scrubbing brush. Then I'm going to use the ONR solution to rinse off the tire. Use the same ONR solution sponge to clean the wheel caps. Using the microfiber towel soaked in ONR to wipe down the tires, and using the dry microfiber cloth to dry off the wheel caps. And it's clean. So this is the water after I finished the whole wash. You can see all the dirt is left on the lower half of the bucket. So as soon as the tire is dry, I apply a tire dressing. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for them to dry after. And I'm going to use some luxury gloss wax, easy to apply, and add some protection. So these are the finishing result guys. I just want to show you today an alternative way of how you can do a pre-wash prior to your contact wash. It's mostly dedicated for those who have limited access to water or don't have a pressure washer. So it's one way you can deal with cleaning of your car, and it's a good way to do that as well. So thank you for watching the videos guys, and like and subscribe if you like the videos, and I'll see you in my next videos.